Hey dear Sagittarius, welcome to my channel Dream Tarot. This is your July month reading regarding your money, career, and finances. And this is your general reading. It may resonate you or may not. Please take what resonates you and leave the rest. Let's start your reading, Sagittarius. Let's see what messages are coming for you for your money, career, and finances related matters. What are the messages for Sagittarius regarding their money, career, and finances? First two cards are High Priestess, Four of Swords, Three of Wands, Empress, okay. I took more cards here because underneath the deck you are having Queen of Pentacles. So let's start your reading, Sagittarius. There are a lot of cards, so this setting will be good. Okay, Sagittarius. Underneath the deck you are having Two of Pentacles and Queen of Pentacles. And यहाँ पर sorry, Eight of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles. So you are working hard over something. You are very much dedication, showing your dedication towards some work, or you are doing, if you are doing job, you are showing your dedication, your hard work to your authorities, and because you have maybe two projects are on your hand. You are doing two things, you are juggling between two, and you are doing a lot of your effort and hard work to make things balance in two jobs, two projects, two businesses. And you are in a authority figure, like and you are in a position where you are about to get your achievement. You are about to get your achievement and rewards. So you are maybe you are about to become like rich person, or your bank balance is uh, going to increase in the month of July, or you are receiving on a, you are getting bonus maybe, or you are getting reward of your hard work, because you are doing two jobs and two projects at a time, and you are becoming an authority figure, or like that. So you are on a charge to do a lot of things, or maybe you are doing things on your own. You have started on your own, and it is giving you good money, good abundance, financial abundance. So Four of Swords and High Priestess showing here that you are believe on your gut, you are believe on divine timing, you are believe on divine and universe. You are waiting over something patiently. Maybe it's like that. You are working hard, and you put your a lot of effort on some work, and maybe two works, and you are juggled, you're very much confused. Whatever I'm doing hard work here, it will it pay me or not? So it's a juggling, it's a confusion for you. But it is going to pay you, because you are going to be financial, you are getting financial gain. I'm seeing that you are getting financial gain here. If you working hard unconditionally, that just doing effort and gaining nothing. So it is make you a little bit confused here, that will I get the reward of this work, will I get this the reward what I am doing, or it's a very much you are very much indecisive and juggling confusing, you are getting confused, and that's at this time you are just relaxing and not thinking negative things. You are making yourself relax because you are having trust on your guts and divine, that whatever you are doing, it will pay you. Because I'm here is a Queen of Pentacle card, it will going to pay you. And you are um after long waiting period, you are waiting patiently. After long waiting periods, you are getting your ships are coming. You are seeing that your ships are coming here. Whatever you are waiting for is now at your doorstep, and you are receiving the reward whatever you have done for a long time. So you are fully trust on this divine timing and divine guidance which you are getting this time from the universe or from the angels, that you should not stop, you should not give up, you should do whatever hard work you are doing here. You will see your ships will come towards you, and you are seeing this. You are becoming abundant, and very much luxuries are coming towards you. Here Queen of Pentacle and the High Priestess is saying that it's a very much luxurious lover, and mm, very much rich person, abundant person. Growth is coming here. Whatever you are doing, it will grow a lot. It will your hard work will not uh, it will not go useless. It will pay you what you want, what you deserve. So here maybe you are having you are doing work with the overseas like multinational company, which is very much a good handsome pair, or whatever work you are doing this time, it will give you more reward and more money which you are doing which you are getting before. So it's a good thing to have the Hierophant, the Empress, the King of Pentacle is all showing abundant growth. Money is coming towards you. You are becoming a richer person here. Like you are getting your reward, and or maybe in the end of the month you are going to your banker, or you are going to open a account for your money. It's like that, Sagittarius. Or it will be a very much abundance is coming towards you from a higher authority, and they are going to like your work because you are doing good effort, you are doing good job. Or in a month of July, or maybe in August, you will see a rapid growth in your work whatever you are doing. If you are doing a business, you will see a rapid growth in your reputation and finances. Or if you are doing job, you will get attention of your authority figure. Like you will successful to get attention of your authority figure. So Sagittarius, this is your reading for the month of July regarding your money, career and finances. If it resonates you, please let me confirm in a comment below. Like, maybe to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.